In this video, you'll learn how to manage your saved eBay sellers effectively. By following these steps, you'll be able to track your favorite sellers and stay updated on their latest offerings. Begin by logging into your eBay account. After successfully signing in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the section labeled Saved Sellers. This area will display all the sellers you have followed or saved. Accessing this page is essential as it provides a comprehensive view of the sellers you trust or frequently purchase from. Once you've opened the Save Sellers section, take a moment to browse through the list. Here you will see the latest listings from each of your... If you decide that you no longer wish to follow a particular seller, look for the option to remove them from your list. This option is usually indicated clearly next to each seller's name. Keeping your saved sellers organized is important for quickly finding preferred sellers when you need them. In addition to organizing your saved sellers, you can also visit a seller's store directly from this page. Simply click on the seller's name or store link to explore their offerings in more detail. This feature allows you to see all available products from a seller you trust, making your shopping experience more efficient. Another important aspect of managing saved sellers is updating your notification preferences. You can choose whether to receive notifications or updates from your saved sellers. Look for the notification settings option in the Saved Sellers section. Adjust these settings based on your preferences to ensure you are informed about new listings or promotions. This step enhances your overall shopping experience on eBay. After making any necessary adjustments to your saved sellers and notification preferences, confirm that all changes are saved. This ensures that your account is updated according to your selections. Regularly reviewing your saved sellers and preferences will help you stay connected with your favorite sellers and make your shopping process smoother. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.